Hello everyone, so it's come out time to part 2, and as I looking at those components and looking closer and all that stuff, I just realized those circuit board is the only circuitry what we have in those devices. Okay, so as we look at this circuit board, basically nothing spectacular from both sides. We get like two diodes in here, two resistors on the in this spot, but as we look closer, there's like tiny yellow spot at the each and every one pin, so that give us idea this is brass pins. At the other side, some of them were soldered with something and some of them was empty, and it gets very dark and get some kind of dark stains, so that's an indication for me to check it out if there are not silver one, because I believe it is. Let's just look at this one and try to clean it with the finger. Okay, with the gloves doesn't work. Let's just try it without. Yeah, it definitely gets a little bit more shiny, so I believe that pins are brass at the main and silver covered. So let me find out my test kit and we will check it out. Okay, so I did prepare some testing kit, and if I put those solution on those pins, it's supposed to turn red or black. So let's see what just happened, and then we will know if there is some silver or not. Okay, I see some reddish color at the bottom, but not really much reaction on it. So try to keeping steady, but anyway, there is some reaction, but not really a lot, so probably that's false alarm, and we can consider those circuit boards with no value except brass. All those pins brassy, look like silver plated, but it is not actually. Yeah, we got some black stains in here, but anyway, it's very low amount of silver if there is any. So that's it for now for this device. So this will end up either on my low grade circuitry, or I take my chance and just try to pull up every one of the pins and drop it into the brass bucket. Yeah, that's all for now. Okay, so I went ahead and just pick out all these brass pieces, but I take only the clean one anyway. So in this way I got tiny amount of brass, not really a lot, just a few grams. Anyway, that's cool. I will drop it to my brassy basket, and I still have piece of low grade circuitry and some, yeah, breakage. It's very crunchy, very easy to remove. It was, I mean, anyway. So this end up in here, and this land up in the brass. So the second part of this device gets scrapped. So we had almost just candies left, and yeah, still getting into it. So see you at the next one.